problem using factor theorem. Show that x minus 3 is a factor of x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9. Hence factorize the given expression completely. Solution given to show that x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. F of x is equal to x cube minus 7x square plus 15x minus 9. Equating x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3 goes to that side plus 3. So f of 3. 3 cube minus 7, 3 square, 7 into 3 square plus 15 into 3 minus 9. 3 cube means 27 minus 7 into 3 square means 9 plus 15 into 3 minus 9. 27, 7 9s are 63. So minus 63. 15 3s are 45. So plus 45 minus 9. Add positives. 27 plus 45, 72. Minus 63 and again minus 9. We are going to add the same signs and same sign will come. Minus 72. 72 minus 72 is equal to 0. When we get remainder 0, then we will conclude that x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. Now they asked to factorize completely. Only one factor we got. You may have doubt how many factors we will get. This is cubic expression. Power 3 is there. So 3 factors will come. Already one factor we got. 2 more factors are there to find. If this is called quadratic expression, 2 factors will come. Linear expression. So linear expression, quadratic expression, cubic expression. So 3 factors will come. Already one factor we got. 2 more we should get. So by long division method we are dividing. Here we know how to divide. Sign, number, variable. First you have to see the sign. Here plus is there. So you keep plus here. Next number. 1 is 1. 1 also wrote here. Plus I wrote. 1 I wrote. Here x is there. Here x cube is there. So how many x's are needed means still x square. So x into x square, if you multiply these two, x square into x is x cube, minus into plus is minus 3x square. Now you are subtracting. The second one's sign changes. Plus becomes minus, minus become plus. Both get cancelled. Minus 4 minus 7x square plus 3x square minus 4x square. Now bring plus 15x down. Now again sign, number, variable. Here the sign is minus, so minus we should get. 1 goes in 4 times. X goes in x square 1 more time. So x into, you have to multiply minus 4x into x minus 4x square minus into minus plus 3 4s are 12 plus 12x. Now the second one sign changes. Minus become plus, plus becomes minus. Both get cancelled. 15 minus 12 will be 3x. And the last constant is remaining. Bring that 9 down. Now here plus is there. Here also plus. 1 goes in 3 times. So multiply this 3 with this. 3 into x, 3x. Plus into minus, minus. 3 3s are 9. Now quite opposite signs. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. Get cancelled and we got 0. Now we got the quotient in quadratic expression. For this we are going to factorize. We know how to factorize. We have to find factors for 3 and on simplification, when we simplify, minus 4 should come. In such a way, we have to take factors. We took like that. Minus 3 into minus 1, minus into minus plus, 1, 3, 1 is 3. In the way when we simplify, minus 3 minus 1 will be minus 4. So, x square minus 3x minus x plus 3. Now, from the first two terms, x is common. Take x common. One more x is there, minus 3x. And in these, nothing is there common, you are thinking. So, take minus 1. Then, opposite signs, minus become plus, plus becomes minus. What will come in the first bracket as it is comes in the second bracket? You have to keep in mind. So, for 2 times, we have written 1 time, x minus 3. And again, x minus 1. So, when we multiply x minus 3 into x minus 1, again we get this expression, quadratic expression. So, we got 2 more factors. Already one factor we proved and we found these 2 factors. Therefore, the factors of f of x are x minus 3 into x minus 3 again into x minus 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 factors. 8th problem. Show that 2x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 6 and hence factorize it completely. Solution given. To show that 2x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. F of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 6. Equating 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 goes that side plus 3 and 2x multiplication goes division. X is equal to 3 by 2. So in the place of x you are substituting 3 by 2. So 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube plus 3 into 3 by 2 whole square minus 5 into 3 by 2 minus 6. Now 2 into 2 cube means 27, 3 cube means 27, 2 cube means 8. 3 into 3 square means 9, 2 square means 4 minus 5 into 3 by 2 minus 6. 2 goes in 8 4 times. So 27 by 4. Here there is no common table. So 3 9s are 27 by 4 minus 3 5s are 15 by 2 minus 6. Addition or subtraction of a fraction by the method of LCM. 4 will be the LCM. You have to find LCM here. 4 goes in 4 one time. 127 is 27. 4 goes in 4 one time. 127 is 27. Plus is there, you have to write plus. Next minus is there, you write minus. 2 goes in 4 2 times. 2 15s are 30. Minus is there, write minus. Here in denominator 1 is there. 1 goes in 4 4 times. 4 6 are 24. 27 plus 27 is 54. Minus 30 minus 24 minus 54 by 4. 54 minus 54 is equal to 0 by 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x minus 3 is a factor of f of x. Now, one factor we got. Still, how many factors we want? 2 more, because this is cubic expression. So, cubic expression means 3 factors. Already one factor we proved. They gave in the problem and we proved. Now coming to the long division method, 2x minus 3 divided by 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x minus 6. Here plus is there, so first sign, next number. 2 goes into 1 time, so 1 I wrote. Here x is there, here x cube is there, so with x square. With this x square you multiply 2x minus 3. You will get 2x cube minus 3x square. The second one sign changes, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus when we are subtracting. So both get cancelled. 3x square plus 3x square, 6x square. Next bring the next term minus 5x. Now here plus is there, here write sign plus. 2 goes in 6 3 times. So 3 you are right, here x is there, here x square is there. So one more x is needed. With this 3x multiply 2x minus 3. Then you will get 6x square minus 9x. The second one sign changes. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Plus 6x square minus 6x square get cancelled. 9 minus 5. So plus 9x minus 5x plus 4x. Last constant is there, minus 6. Bring minus 6. 4x minus 6. Here plus is there, write that plus here. 2 goes in 4 2 times. And here x, here also x. So no need variable. Now with this 2 you are multiplying. 2 into 2x minus 3. 4x minus 6. Now signs becomes opposite. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Get cancelled is equal to 0. Now we got the coefficient x square plus 3x plus 2. Now we got quadratic expression. We are going to find factors for plus 2. When we simplify, plus 3 should come. In such a way we have to take factors. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 ones are 2. So x square plus 2x plus x plus 2. From the first two terms take x common. X plus 2. From the next two, last two, what take plus 1 as common? X plus 2. What comes in the first bracket exactly should come in the second bracket. So x plus 2 into x plus 1. Already one factor is given in the problem and we got 2 more. So total 3. Therefore the factors of f of x are x minus 3 into x 2x minus 3 into x plus 2 into x plus 1. Write the problem. Show that 3x plus 2 is a factor of 6x cube plus 13x square minus 4. Hence, factorize it completely. Solution given to show that 3x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. F of x is equal to 6x cube plus 13x square minus 4. Here you can observe one thing. X cube term is there, x square term is there, x term is not there. Indirectly they gave 0x and constant minus 4. No problem. Then also we will call it as cubic expression, third degree polynomial only. Here one term is missing, 0x. If you want you can keep. Now equating 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Plus 2 goes to right side, minus 2, and multiplication goes to division. So x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Now substituting the place of x, f of minus 2 by 3 is equal to 6 into minus 2 by 3 whole cube plus 13 into minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 4. 6 into, here the power is odd, minus comes. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus again minus. 2 cube means 8, 2 2s 4, 4 2s 8. 3 cube means 27, 3 3s 9, 9 3s 27 plus 13 into, here minus into minus plus. 2 2s 4, 3 3s 9, minus 4. Here common table is there, 3 table get cancelled, 3 goes 2 times, 3 goes 9 times. So plus into minus minus, 2 8s are 16 by 9. Plus 13 4s are 52 by 9 minus 4. Here 9 will be the LCM. 9 goes in 9 one time, so minus 16 plus here. Again 9 goes in 9 one time, so 152 is 52. Here in the denominator 1 is there. 1 goes in 9 times. 9 4s are 36. Plus 52 minus 16 minus 36 minus 52. 52 minus 52 is equal to 0 by 9. So 9 goes in 0 0 times. When we get 0, then it will be a factor. Therefore, 3x plus 2 is a factor of f of x. Now, out of 3 factors, one factor they gave and told to prove that we have proved. Now we are going to take long division method and we are going to solve. 3x plus 2 divided by 6x cube plus 13x square minus 4. Here plus is there, plus this 3 goes in 6 2 times, and here x is there, here x cube is there, so x square. With this plus 2x square, multiply this 3x plus 2, you will get 6x cube plus 4x square. Keep in mind, sign, number, variable. Signs becomes opposite. We are subtracting, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Both get cancelled. 13 minus 4 is 9x square minus 4. The next constant term we will bring down. Here plus is there, so plus 3 goes in 9 3 times, and here x is there, here x square is there. So one more x is needed. Sign, number, variable. Multiply this 3x with this 3x plus 2. Then you will get 9x square plus 6x. Again, signs will become opposite. Plus becomes minus. Plus becomes minus when we are subtracting. Both get cancelled. Here minus 6x is there. Here minus 4 is there. These two are unlike terms. They are not like terms. Here, suppose if here x is there, then we can solve it. We can simplify it. But here x is not there. This is constant and this is x term. So minus 6x minus 4. Unlike terms. Now coming to the first sign, minus 3 goes in 6 2 times. Here x is there, here also already x is there. So with minus 2 you are going to multiply 3x plus 2. So we get minus 6x minus 4. When we are subtracting, quite opposite signs, minus becomes plus, minus becomes plus, get cancelled, and 0 we got. So what is the quotient we got? 2x square plus 3x minus 2. Now we are going to find factors not for minus 2. We have to multiply the coefficient. What is there? Coefficient of x square. 2 into minus 2. For minus 4, we have to find factors. We have to find factors for minus 4, and when we simplify, plus 3 should come in such a way. How we got minus 4? 2 into minus 2. So here 4 minus 1 is plus 3. 4 into minus 1. This is part and parcel of the problem. Here you have to be careful. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, and when we simplify, plus 3 should come. 4 minus 1 is plus 3. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Now substitute. 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2. From the first two terms you are taking 2x common. The remaining is x plus 2. In the last two or next two, minus 1 is common, x plus 2. Here both are common. We are writing one time x plus 2. And what are 2x minus 1 in one more bracket. Already one factor we got. Here two more factors we got. Therefore the factors of f of x are 3x plus 2 into x plus 2 into 2x minus 1.